So I had a problem the other day when I was trying to mow first time this season. So here I would engage the belt, everything was fine. I would stop. Anytime you have to back up or get off the lawnmower or anything, you got to turn the belt off or disengage the belt, and then it wouldn't engage again. And I'd get off and the belt would be kind of like this and it would have come off. So I would just have to, put it back on. Well, it would do it every time. And I finally noticed I've still got the one on the other side, but I'm missing the, let's see if you can see it here. The little thing here, I didn't know what it was called. And that was the funny thing. I told my wife, it's the thing that keeps the belt where it's supposed to be. And so I looked it up and it's actually called a belt keeper. Novel name, I guess. But anyway, so I ordered a belt keeper. I went ahead and ordered two. I ordered one for each side because I figured I'd go ahead and check the other one while I'm going through this. Anyway, I'm going to go through the process of getting that replaced. All right. I don't know if you can hear this. It's pretty windy. So we're going to put looks like a 14 millimeter socket in the trailer to get this off. Probably should have cleaned it before I did this because it was pretty nasty. It just slides right out. What a mess that is. And here I got the package from E-Replacement Parts. I will put them in the link. So I bought one for the left and one for the right. Wasn't sure, well, I knew which one I needed, but I wasn't sure if the other one was bad, and thought, well, it wouldn't hurt to go ahead and put a new one on there. See if I can tell which one's which. In case you're wondering what the difference is between the two, I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera. There's a little bend this way, and on this one there's a little bend this way. So if you put them side by side, they are not 100% the same. There's a little bend. So anyway, I just got to find the one that matches the bend of what I just took off. All right, and it turns out this guy is the right one. Let's see, how do we get this in here now? Nope. Goes there. That goes in there. And it goes in there. We should have cleaned that before I put it in here, but I did not. And it's missing and it is holding the belt exactly where we need. Perfect. All right, and let's do the same thing on this side. And this one I'm gonna have to clean off a little bit so I can even see the thing. We'll just check it and see what kind of shape it is in. Yeah, this one actually is not in too bad a shape. I may have ordered a part I didn't really need there. I'm not going to replace it just for the sake of replacing it. So we'll go ahead and put it back in there, and I will just keep the other one. And to be honest, I think it would probably go, if the other one happened to wear out first, I would probably actually be able to use that one on the other side. But I don't know that. So anyway, and I think the parts were around 10 bucks a pop. But of course, shipping and everything, I'm probably paying $10 for shipping. So I might as well, I probably definitely wasted money buying that part, but it'll get you. So anyway, it's a simple fix, relatively cheap parts, and it should keep the belt on the mower. Thanks guys, you have a good day. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, this is a Craftsman lawnmower, but when I was looking at eReplacementParts.com, for some reason, if you look at the Craftsman branded products, expensive than the Husqvarna branded products, which is weird. You know, there's the model number, but again, this thing is made by Husqvarna, so I'm gonna have to start watching for that whenever I'm buying parts for this thing. Make sure I'm buying the cheapest part, because I'm sure Husqvarna makes the parts for either the Craftsman branded or the Husqvarna branded, and probably a few other brands. But I guess just like anything, you put a Craftsman name tag on something, they're gonna jack the price up a little bit. Thanks, guys.